Hello, friends. Today we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin. Penny is a penguin. She lives in a cold place. She likes to swim in the water. Penny has black and white feathers. Let's read again. Penny is a penguin. She lives in a cold place. She likes to swim in the water. Penny has black and white feathers. Let's go to the questions. What is Penny? A rabbit, a penguin, a bird. Think for your answer, and the answer is a penguin. Where does Penny live? In a cold place, in a forest, on a farm. Do you know the answer? The answer is in a cold place. Well done, you're doing great. Let's go to the next question. What does Penny like to do? Fly in the sky, run fast, swim in the water. Think for your answer, and the answer is swim in the water. What color are Penny's feathers? Brown and white, black and white, red and yellow. Think for your answer, and the answer is black and white. Very good. Penny is a penguin, lion, sheep. What do you think the answer is? Penny is a penguin. Well done. Let's go to the next passage. This passage is about a lion. Leo is a lion. He lives in the jungle. He has a big mane. Leo likes to sleep under a tree. Let's read that again. Leo is a lion. He lives in the jungle. He has a big mane. Leo likes to sleep under a tree. Did you read this carefully? Now get ready for some questions. What is Leo? A tiger, a lion, a monkey. Think for your answer. The answer is a lion. Well done. Let's go to the next question. Where does Leo live? In the zoo, on a farm, in the jungle. Think for your answer. The answer is in the jungle. What does Leo have? A long tail, a big mane, big wings. Leo has a big mane. Very good. Leo is a rabbit, lion, sheep. Think for your answer. The answer is lion. Well done, kids. Let's go to the next one. This is about a rabbit. Rosie is a rabbit. She lives in a burrow. She likes to eat carrots. Rosie has long ears. Read that again. Rosie is a rabbit. She lives in a burrow. She likes to eat carrots. Rosie has long ears. Are you ready for the questions? Let's get started. What is Rosie? A cat, a rabbit, a bird? Think for your answer. A rabbit. Very good. Let's go to the next question. Where does Rosie live? In a nest, in a burrow, on a farm? Do you know the answer? Rosie lives in a burrow. Very good. What does Rosie like to eat? Apples, grass, carrots. Rosie likes to eat carrots. Well done. What does Rosie have? Long ears, big wings, a long trunk. Rosie have long ears. Very good. Rosie is a lion, rabbit, long trunk. Rabbit. Well done. Let's go to the next passage. This passage is about a giraffe. Gina is a giraffe. She lives on the grassland. She has a long neck. Gina likes to eat leaves. Let's read that again. Gina is a giraffe. She lives on the grassland. She has a long neck. Gina likes to eat leaves. Ready for some questions? What is Gina? A zebra, a giraffe, an elephant. A giraffe. Very good. Where does Gina live? In the jungle, on a farm, on the grassland. Gina lives on the grassland. Very good. Ready for the next question? What does Gina have? A long neck, big ears, a short tail. Think for your answer. Gina has a long neck. Very good. Gina is a giraffe, rabbit, penguin. Think for your answer. Gina is a giraffe. Well done. Good job. You did a great job, kids. And for a present, I have a free PDF worksheet for you that is available at my website, and I will share the link with you in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And write me in the comments how did you like my video and on which topic do you want to see the reading comprehensions next time we do reading. This is your teacher signing off. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Have a nice vacation. Bye.